Hello and welcome to my channel on the track with Illy, and today I am at Manchester Piccadilly on the West Coast Main Line. Today you're going to see service by Northern, Transperth Express, Cross Country, East Midland, Transport for Wales, and you're going to be seeing about 3 flights that's going to be making an appearance. Over here we have 323-208 and 323-220. This one is working the 0947.
Train currently on platform 13 is now ready to depart. Please stand behind the red line. This train is now ready to depart.
The 0947 Northern service to Manchester Airport. This one is 2 minutes late now. And there's 323-208 and 323-220. 208 is ex-West, actually both of them are ex-West Midland trains. I was about to say 323-208 was ex-West Midland train, but basically both of them are ex-West Midland. Yeah. 323-208 and 323-220. And over there's 390-049. That's going to be forming the 1015 service to London Euston. And I'm just going to forget to mention that we're going to have some diverting Avanti West Coast that's going to be passing through platform 13 and 14. That's something special that's going to be passing by. And we're going to have a Tesco flight that's 30 minutes late. That's going to be coming in. Ooh, I think somebody did press the emergency button because 323-208 and 220 had just stopped over there. Anyways, leaving now is a pair of 156s. No, it's a singular 156 even. 156 406. And there's 1950, I want to say 013, I want to say. That's going to Buxton. And that one might be going to Sheffield or Walsham Marple. I'll see you when the next train comes. So let's see what I'll try to turn up. And enjoy the video, guys. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be a terminating Northern service. It's a class 323.
Platform 14 for the 0954 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling at Manchester.
Number's going to be a bit difficult because it's on the far platform. Anyway, let's get this one. 331-112. I couldn't get the numbers on that 323, but I can tell you that that one was a Northern class 323. It wasn't an ex-West Midland one. So that's 331-112 working the 0954 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, departing there's 331-112 working the 0954 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street. And I hope the Tesco flight, I hope it's going to be 88008. I hope it's going to be that one because it has been 88008 for all week, literally last week. So it might be 88008, but if it is, it's going to be my first time seeing it. And I'm going to be very happy recording that one. Okay guys, our first diverting is going to be a Avanti West Coast class 390 going from London Euston to Carlisle. Let me just see. Yep, that is.
Any customers travelling to Scotland between Saturday the 3rd
Okay, let's get this 185.
Please be advised that
Departing.
services towards Scotland will be amended from Manchester Piccadilly due to engineering works.
185
Customers are
121.
advised to travel via Carlisle.
185 121. $390.002. Stephen Sutton. $390.002. Stephen Sutton. That one is late, going from London Euston to Carlisle. That's the first time I've seen an Avanti West Coast Pendolino passing by on platform 14.
61016. We are sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
That's $390.002. Stephen Sutton. Now 185 that left, that's 185 121. I believe that was going to York or Stalybridge or Huddersfield. Now zoom it in again while it goes over there. So today we're going to have multiple of diverting Avanti. Going to pass through platform 14 and 13 today. We've got something else coming in. Now to see over here. Yep, it's a Northern Class 195. I'm going to pause the clip and I'm going to resume it when it comes closer. It's a 2-carriage 195. Okay, now it's coming a bit closer. We've got something on platform 14.
For the 1002 Northern service to Blackpool North. Calling at Manchester Oxford Road, D6,
This is the 1002 Northern service to Blackpool North. This one is 331020 on the front. And 51 51017 on the rear, and there it was a Northern actually class 331, whereby 331024. And now departing is 323 with the 1003 to Hatfield, and then after we've got a cross country class 221 working the 1003 to Bristol Temple Mead, so by 221 133, and that's 323. I want to say 236 departing. They are departing at the same time. Wait, oh yeah, okay, that's fine. That's 5 carriages. I thought at the moment that's 4 carriages. It's 5 carriages. Never mind. I thought it was 4 carriages.
Platform 13 is the 1000 Northern service to Manchester. Please allow this train to contact from this stop before you try to board this train. This is for your safety and the safety of others on this platform. This is a slightly delayed 1000 Northern service to Manchester Airport.
Okay, here is
And Manchester Airport. Just stand away from the doors. Allow your fellow passengers to alight safely before you try to board this train.
here is 195106. This is working the Saturday delayed 1000 Northern service to Manchester Airport. We get so many leaves. Okay guys, we're gonna have 2 Northern. So we're gonna have a Northern class 195, and also we're gonna have a cross country class 22, either 220 or 221. So the 195 is 195 101, and the 220 is 220 007. 220 007. And I departed is going to be 195 106, working the 1000 Northern Service to Manchester Airport. And then just to let you know, guys, my new favorite number now is 008. I started like every number that has 08 and every number that has 008 on it. I like it now. Just to let you know. And now departure is going to be 323239, working the 1006 Northern Service to Crewe. That's on time.
East Fitzroy, Gatley, Fieldsbury and Manchester
323239.
The train now approaching platform 13 is just slightly delayed. 1004 Northern Service.
And then we have the 1004
Just allow the train to come to a
Northern
complete stop
Service to
before you try to board
Manchester
this train.
Airport.
This is for your safety and the safety of others on this platform. This is just slightly delayed 1004 Northern Service to Manchester Airport.
The slightly delayed
At Marcus
1004.
Road, Bonwich, East District, Gatley, Fieldsbury and Manchester Airport. Please stand away from the doors. Allow your fellow passengers to alight safely before you try to board this train.
54105. We are terminating Avanti West Coast service from London Euston, and we're having Transpennine Express has 185. 185 129. 185 129. 390 112. So that's 390 112 with a terminating Avanti West Coast service from London Euston. Okay, move around. Move around. Okay, and this one we'll get ready to go. 51 105. Wow, 390 390 just was able to fit in that platform. It almost didn't fit. And there's 390 Now there's two pendulums.
Behind the ribbon. This is for your safety and for the safety of others. Stand behind the ribbon. This is for your safety and for the safety of others.
Now Transpennine Express, that one, that's working the 1007 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street. I was almost not going to record. I was about to record the event instead of the Transpennine, because the number was 185 129, so I recorded it. Okay, we've got a Northern Class 150 leaving. 150, 102. Very packed train. That's working the 1010 Northern Service to Chester. Did I go there anyway? I've never seen 88008 in Rio before, so that's why I hope it's going to be 88008. Because I've seen 88005, I've seen 006 in Rio, and I've seen 002, but never seen 88008. And now 185129 is now leaving, working the 1007 Transpennine Express
The next train
service
will
to
be
Liverpool
going to
Street.
Clayhouse. Stand behind the red line for your own safety and for the safety of others. The train will be calling a stop for.
Okay, arriving now is going to
13.
arriving now is going to be the 1013
Transpennine
Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes.
Cleethorpes.
You might get bored with this one because
Sheffield,
it might cover the
Meadowhall,
Avon to West
Doncaster,
Coast.
Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and
This one is
Cleethorpes. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
this one form
Due to short
of a
platforms,
double pairing of
passengers for Meadowhall
185.
and Hayborough should board the front 4 coaches. Passengers for Scunthorpe, Barnetby and Grimsby Town should board the front 5 coaches. An at-seat service of light refreshments is available on the train. Platform
Stand by.
13 from the 1013 Transpennine Express service to
The safety of others. This is your 1013 Transpennine Express service to Clayhouse. Fire, Stockport, Sheffield, and Doncaster. Stand back, away from the road. Allow passengers to arrive before you board. Use all those to board quickly and safely. If
When
you're
if
going to the airport, remain on the platform for your service. If you're going to the airport, remain on the platform for your service. Your 1013 Transpennine Express service to Claythorpes.
185 136 is leading the way. My favorite number leading. Sorry guys if the announcement interrupt me because the announcement today they're being a bit, they are talking a lot today. Ferry road closed. Oh, that door has slammed. That door has closed now. That door has officially closed. Those doors are still open. That one slammed. Yeah. This one now is 1 minute late leaving. Two minutes late now. Anyways, we're gonna get here. Here we've got the 1021 Transpennine service to Edinburgh coming in.
Your platform station is now ready to depart. Please stand behind the red line. This train is now ready to depart.
$397.06. Ow! $390.49. $185.139 is on the back, and there's $390.49 working the 1015 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. 39049 did a very big squeak here at the start.